Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay, beta. We will begin with the chapter Landscape of the Soul. I had already told you the summary of it. Everybody is having the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Please open
Yes,
the
ma'am.
chapter. It is on page number 34 and put the date. Hurry up. Put the date on it. Okay. Should we begin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Landscape of the Soul. A wonderful old tale is told about the painter Wu Daozi, who lived in the 8th century. His last painting was a landscape commissioned by the Tang Emperor Xuanzong to decorate a palace wall. Now, when this chapter begins, a reference has been given to a painter named Wu Daozi. Yes, and he lived in the 8th century, and he was commissioned, means he was assigned this work of painting that the palace wall of emperor, the king, Xuanzong, he had assigned him a work that he need to decorate the wall of the palace, and that too by his painting. समझ में आया? एम्परर जुएंग जोंग ने उसको एक काम दिया था और ये बोला था कि पैलेस की वॉल जो है उसको डेकोरेट करनी है. The master had hidden his work behind a screen so only the emperor would see it. Now what happens? The painter, it was his last painting, and the painter, he had hidden his work behind a screen. Okay, and only the emperor, he could see it. उसने जो अपनी painting करी थी उसको hid कर दिया था behind a big screen, and only the emperor, the king, he could see it. For a long while, the emperor admired the wonderful scene, discovering forests, high mountains, waterfall, clouds floating in an immense sky, men on hilly paths, birds in flight. See, so many things he had made in the painting. When this painting it was disclosed to the emperor, he admired many things into that painting. Like what? The forests were there, the high mountains were being painted, the waterfalls were there, then the floating clouds were being painted, and then men, they are climbing on the hilly path. Okay, hilly, you got it? Pahadi par chad rahe the. They were climbing the hills or the mountains. It was there, and the birds in flight, everything was being painted. A very beautiful painting it was. Understood up till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
Dowsey was a
Yes,
painter,
ma'am.
and he had been given this work to make a beautiful painting to decorate the wall of the palace. Palace मालूम है ना, महल की जो wall होती है ना, उसको decorate करने के लिए emperor Xuanzong ने उसको ये काम दिया था to make a painting. When the painting, now he had made the painting, but he hid it behind a screen. जब उसको disclose करा only in front of the emperor, okay, nobody else could see it. तो जो emperor थे, he got very much admired on seeing beautiful forests and birds, you know, they are flying, and then people, they are climbing the hills. Okay, beautiful landscape was there, the clouds were floating in the sky and everything was there. Means a very beautiful scene. Look, sir, said the painter, in this cave, at the foot of the mountain dwells a spirit. Now the painter, you know, he makes him means emperor, look at the cave in the painting, which was at the foot of the mountain, and he says that there, you know, a spirit, it lived. समझ में आया? The foot of the mountain was made, okay, and foot you got it, बिल्कुल नीचे mountain जहाँ बिल्कुल end होता है ना, ठीक है, वहां पर वो कहता है कि सर यहाँ पे एक spirit dwell करती है, means here a spirit lives. The painter clapped his hands and the entrance to the cave opened. Okay, अब cave की पूरी opening थी, sorry, the cave was made in the painting, and the cave was at the foot of the mountains, and there the writer says कि वहां पर एक spirit रहती थी, and then what he does, he just clapped his hand. Okay, the painter clapped his hand. Now just listen to it carefully, don't get confused. Okay, and as he clapped his hand, the entrance to the cave opened. जैसे ही उसने clapping करी, जो entrance था ना of the cave, बेटा, it opened. The inside is splendid beyond anything words can convey. Please let me show your majesty the way. Okay, and then the painter, he says, you know, inside the cave, you know, it's really very, very majestic, very beautiful. Even my words cannot express the beauty that is inside the cave. And then he just says that I'm going to show you, your majesty, the way. Okay, और कहता है कि मैं आपको रास्ता बताता हूँ, and I'm going to show you all the beauty that is inside the cave. Clear?
Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, the cave is in a painting, na? Ma'am, the
Arey,
painting that
everything is
made.
in the painting. Okay, Akhilesh?
So, ma'am, then how the cave is opened?
Huh?
Ma'am, how the cave is opened then?
Arey, that is all what I said in the introduction of the chapter, beta. यही तो मैंने तुम्हें बताया था. Difference बताया गया between Chinese art and the European art. Okay, Chinese art is not creating a real landscape, or there is no reality in the Chinese art. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
और European art इस chapter में यही है, the difference between the Chinese art and the European art. Okay, Chinese art, it is full of fiction, it is full of imagination. ठीक है, कोई भी रियलिटी उसमें कम शो होती है, नहीं के बराबर है.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, उसमें ना आपको जो पेंटर है, he can take you anywhere in the imagination. Clear or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
लेकिन
Yes, ma'am.
यूरोपियन
Yes,
आर्ट
ma'am.
ऐसा होता है जिसमें जो रियलिटी होती है ना, व्यूअर्स जो होते हैं, they are being shown exactly what is there. आ गया आप समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
श्योर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
क्या हुआ था? अगेन आई विल एक्सप्लेन बेटा. एम्परर ज़ुएंगज़ोंग थे. Okay, he called the painter Wu Daozi और उनको ऑर्डर दिया to make a painting, okay, for the palace wall. अब he made a very beautiful painting, और उस पेंटिंग में क्या थे? बहुत वंडरफुल सीन्स थे, फॉरेस्ट था, लैंडस्केप थे, माउंटेन्स थे, हिल थे, men, you know, they were climbing the mountains, caves were there, many beautiful scenes were there. Okay, अब उन्होंने पेंटिंग बनाई, पेंटर ने, and he hid it behind a screen so that nobody should see it. Got it? And
Yes,
then
ma'am.
he called the emperor. Okay, उनको दिखाई, है ना, डिस्क्लोज करी उनके सामने, वो पेंटिंग डिस्क्लोज करी. जब एम्परर देखते, he was very much mesmerized, you know, even he got attracted towards the painting. He was very much impressed by the painting. समझ गए? अब at the foot of the mountain there was a cave. Foot of the mountain, you got it? बिल्कुल down at the mountain, okay, mountain के बिल्कुल
Yes,
नीचे a
ma'am.
Yes,
cave
ma'am.
was there. तो वो पेंटर कहता है, sir, you know, here, you know, a spirit it dwells. एक spirit रहती है यहाँ पर. समझ में आया बेटा? And then he says that inside the cave, you know, it's really very beautiful, very magnificent. My words cannot describe the beauty that is there inside the cave. And just give me the permission, I'll just take you, I'll just show you the way to, okay, to the cave, to the entrance of the cave. And we'll just enter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody? अच्छा, अब आगे क्या होता है? The painter, he entered the cave. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
To show the emperor the way or the inside beauty of the cave. उसने कहा चलिए मैं आपको रास्ता बताता हूँ, अंदर जो है the cave is very beautiful. But as the painter he entered the cave, उसने clap करा, the door, the entrance of the cave, it opened, he entered, okay, but as he entered the entrance closed behind him. समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
बेटा all
Yes,
imagination.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Getting it
ma'am.
or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
हाँ, Chinese
Ma'am,
art
it is the
आपको
like
कहाँ
the-
ले जाता है? Into an imaginative world.
Ma'am,
What happened?
ma'am, it is the like story of Ali Baba and Charles Chor, isn't it?
Everybody knows it, okay? लेकिन आगे ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. So what happens, beta? The entrance it closes, okay? And before the astonished emperor could move or utter a word, or जो emperor था, he was very much stunned, astonished, you know, surprised. ठीक है? उससे पहले before he could utter a single word, he could understand anything, उसके कुछ समझ में आता, वो कुछ बोलता. Painting had vanished from the wall. What happens? This was a painting. Your screen is a painting, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And बिल्कुल screen के नीचे देखो, a cave is there. Got it or not?
Yes, ma'am.
And a painter is standing there and he's telling the emperor कि inside the cave, you know, lot of beauty is there. ठीक है? Majestic scenes हैं. And कहता है, come on sir, I'm going to show you the way. मैं आपको रास्ता दिखाता हूँ. And then he claps his hand, okay? जैसे ही clapping करता है, the entrance it opens. Right? Now emperor
Yes, ma'am.
has to follow the painter. Why? Because he does not know the way towards the cave. Inside the cave, he doesn't know the way, and this painter he is going to show him all the majestic things that exist there in the cave. है ना? सारी सुंदर चीजें पेंटर को ही दिखानी थी, तो पहले पेंटर आगे बढ़ता है, ओके, क्लैप करके. लेकिन जैसे ही वो क्लैप करके एंटर होता है, व्हाट हैपेंस? द डोर इट क्लोजेस. और जैसे हम खड़े हैं बिल्कुल एस्टोनिश होकर, एम्परर ही वाज स्टैंडिंग देयर. Before he could utter anything, before he could understand anything, the cave, the door of the cave it closes, और cave का door close होते ही वो painting ही vanish हो जाती है, disappear हो जाती है. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Not a trace of Wu Daozi's brush was left. और कहीं पर, you know, उसके ब्रश का, ब्रश मतलब पेंटिंग का कोई नामो निशान, you know, no sign of his painting was left there, and the artist was never seen again in this world. और ये कहा जाता है कि उसके बाद this artist he was never seen in this world. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब देखो
Yes,
आगे
ma'am.
देखो बेटा, नेक्स्ट करें.
Yes, ma'am.
Such stories you got it. Now story is what?
Imagination.
Imagination, okay. So such stories played an important part in Chinese classical education. The books of Confucius and Zhuangzi, underline it and write down, they were the philosophers. Philosophers थे वो China के. Means these kind of stories, they played a very important role in classical education in China. Or similarly, जो books थी Confucius and Zhuangzi की, they are full of them. यानी they are full of such stories. Okay, imaginative fiction writing, and they help the master to guide his disciple in the right direction. And they help the master to help and guide his disciples. Disciples कौन होते हैं? Write down, followers. Okay, beyond the anecdotes को क्या होता है? Interesting stories of a real person. Write it. Interesting stories of a real person. है ना, मतलब रियल पर्सन से भी आगे की कहानियां थी, एनेक्डोट से भी बढ़कर थी. They are deeply revealing of the spirit in which art was considered. Okay, these stories, you know, they were considered to be deeply revealing of the spirit. यानी spirits को reveal करती थी, spirits को show करती थी, जिस तरह से art अपनी artistic चीज को show करता है ना, मीन्स अपनी क्रिएटिविटी शो होती है आर्ट में, है ना, उसी तरह से ये स्टोरी स्पिरिट्स को रिवील करती थी. अब देखिए आगे क्या कह रहे हैं. कॉन्ट्रास्ट द स्टोरी और अनदर फेमस स्टोरी एक और बताई गई है about a painter who would not draw the eye of a dragon he had painted for fear it would fly out of the painting. अब वो कहता है कि देयर वाज वन अनदर फेमस स्टोरी थी जिसमें जो पेंटर था, ओके, ही वुड नॉट पेंट द आई ऑफ अ ड्रैगन. उसने एक ड्रैगन की पेंटिंग बनाई थी, बट ही डिड नॉट मेक द आई ऑफ द ड्रैगन. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको डर था कि इफ ही इज गोइंग टू मेक द आई ऑफ द ड्रैगन वुड फ्लाई आउट ऑफ द पेंटिंग. Clear or not?
Yes,
With an
ma'am.
old story from my native Flanders that I find most representative of Western painting. Okay, और वो कहता है कि it was one of the stories, है ना, कई stories से थी जो एक medieval country है ना, native Flanders होते medieval country है Western Europe में, वहाँ को represent कर. Clear बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay, go through it. If it is not clear, I'll explain it again. आ गया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
fine
ma'am.
then. Take care. God bless you all.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.